Simple and easy noodle recipe which take around 10 minutes to cook are always a lifesaver. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some delicious peanut butter noodles with meatballs. So delish. Try out some meatballs. Let me tell you, everything is just fantastic. This is a recipe for one and you're going to need very few ingredients. You'll need some noodles, of course. We have some tomato paste, peanut butter, we have garlic, a chicken stock cube, coriander, green onions, and some leftover meatballs, which I'm going to be also including in this recipe. For the meatballs, I added in some minced onions and garlic, coriander, also a few spices like black pepper, paprika, and onion powder. We are going to get straight into cooking this simple recipe by placing a pan over medium-low flame. Add in a tablespoon of cooking oil. Once the oil is ready, you're going to carefully drop in your meatballs. Make sure the flames are not too hot because the meatballs are going to cook very fast on the outside and the inside is not going to be cooked. So as the meatballs are cooking for around 1 minute on each side, I'm going to chop up some green onions. So I'm going to chop off the end and finely mince or dice. I'm going to be using the white part of the onion to saute. Using my knife, I'm going to finely dice. Check on my meatballs, which are slowly cooking. And using a spatula, I'm going to flip so that they can cook on the other side. As the meatballs are cooking, the kitchen is going to be smelling absolutely incredible because of the coriander, onions, and garlic in the meatballs. Back to my chopping board, I'm going to grab my garlic, smash using my knife, and finely dice. Back to my frying pan. I'm going to flip the meatballs so that they can cook on the other side, and they're getting a very nice golden crust. As the meatballs are cooking, they're going to release some meat juices, which is going to make the oil very flavorful. So this is after 4 minutes and the meatballs are ready. So I'm going to transfer to a plate. They look super juicy and delicious. Then using the same oil, I'm going to add in my green onions and garlic. Saute your garlic and green onions for around a minute over medium-low flame. And this is going to make the garlic super flavorful and the green onions are going to release all those natural sugars into the cooking oil and it's going to get very aromatic or flavorful from the onion flavor. You can see how gorgeous the onions are looking after a minute. So next you're going to add in 1 teaspoon of tomato paste, which is going to add in a very nice tomato flavor to the noodles. Cook your tomato paste for around 30 seconds. Then you're going to add in 1.5 cups of water. Stir in. Add in a tablespoon of smooth peanut butter. Then you're going to stir in the tomato paste, the peanut butter, and the rest of the ingredients until the peanut butter is fully dissolved into the water. Also, I'm going to be adding in a chicken stock cube, which is going to add in a very nice chicken flavor to the noodles because you're cooking some chicken noodles. You can add in a beef stock cube as well. Continuously stir the peanut butter, and once it's fully dissolved into the water, you're going to drop in your noodles, and this is 2 bricks for the recipe. Reduce the flames to low so that the noodles can slowly cook for around 3 minutes. I'm going to grab my chopping board once more so that I can slice my green onions for garnishing. When washing your green onions, make sure to wash in between the leaves because there is always some soil or dirt. I'm going to place my knife diagonally and slice the green onion leaves just to make some nice pattern on the green onions. Check on my noodles, which are softening up, and using my spatula, I'm going to flip so that the noodles can cook on the other side. And after 2 minutes, I'm going to drop in my meatballs into the pan. Add in a little bit of coriander, then you're going to stir in. And after 3 minutes, this is how your noodles are going to be looking. So don't overcook. When ready, serve in a nice bowl. When done plating up your noodles and meatballs, they're going to be looking incredible and super delicious. So this is a very nice recipe which you can whip up within minutes, and your family is going to enjoy some delicious dinner. Or if you're a bachelor and looking forward for a very easy and simple recipe, this is for you. Catch you on my next episode.